Abakenya litukoria rero barwanya mwanya tuko bakumwanja muskiraira Amoro Odinga litukoria rero niko banyako bagucengera litukoria kuiburo kwa chinga Kenya ko bakagwikia imyaka 53 noyo munaboigo abara ikuru ensemo iriya kupeti anemono chinsemo ani banyako bagweso kiana we kuburia serikali nyarko bakego tema buna injira emo yujuguikirania biribiganiri asaboro ko ba grade 10 raje kunyako bagoswa ase secondary cheigoro nabwo ensemo ende semo iriya ekomocha serikali niko banyako bakomocha ikyumbikirike bachori amuni chimbebe kocha ase eka etenda iyanya to bage kubwatuka uchese company emo nyako bage kobera imensi ya Kenya nabwo gwetania amatuko ariya kagire kobera imensi ya Kenya. Chinga kichingiana numanchu morgeri andonsia surgu nyaka bingo kwarga ngoja SMS Amang'Ana mayeni nyaka to sanga twimanye asinjira jubikanu ali abiriko bakagutukira igitasini kiga kya Amazing Voice of Victory tukoya chaka kuru ase ubugatagati bumoji obusongo mwasubwitu kuri rero ekyombekerya rya kubeti bakora wa amono munyakirugo obokonad orunyo ngabanyako bakuburia serikali enyara ko bagikumuka ibitambukiro bya bwango una enjira eyamo yojo konya aborko bari ba grade 10 raje kunyako bagoswa chiskuru au guchakira Jumatatu eyiga korengana amoni kimbekia kupet ngabanyako bakwerera igatia borkiwa chiskuru banyariko bakurangirwa nigo chitabwati ebintu biraje kunyako bikubakonya kwegenderia nabo ko isomya korengana amoni mirimo eri ababekeire ase chiskuru ekyo nawe gasense mwende ngabanyako bagoteba neba abarimu nigo bataiseni ase chiskuru chinde abo banyarako bakuburia serikali enyarako bagiye kwimukia igetambukiro kya bwangu.
We want to ask the government to up their game, equip the schools, especially the aspects of the skills that they are going to learn. Another issue is about the letters of placement. The student receives the letter, but there is no specific area that the letter says that this student shall go to. However, as the parents take their students to school, they will definitely decide whether it is the STEM pathway or the art and science section.
Most schools have been allocated to offer certain pathways, for example, social sciences. But you find that in those schools, they don't have facilities which will enable those students to run. Like now you find a school has been given a combination of music. There is no teacher for music. Electricity, there is no those facilities which will enable the student to run well.
I want to pass this message across to our drivers. Please let us be very careful as we drive. Let us stop drinking. They take our vehicles for service. To the parents, please when you take our children to the stage, make sure that you don't
naboigo umuske Raila Amoro Odinga yunyara ko bakagusiria ubugima bwaye umwaka oheta itukoria rero niganyara ko bakawikia emyaka 53 na oyomo ase emiyega ao yanyara ko bakego korekana ti county ao muna enjira eyamo yoko muchengera omurayi oyo ime county ya Nairobi moyego yuni gonyara ko bakego korekana ase enkaya igotoka Karen abo ase yanyara ko bagekora wa amono murugyo ya Ida Odinga abego omorike omonene bwikama kerikya ODM Edwin Sifuna kaukwana ekerekyo murugyo ya Ida Odinga niganya ko bakawakira abakenya mbia mono anemono mora ibwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto ase agosto ya okopoko kwae ekwene kinga Raila Amoro Odinga niganya to bakakwenigwa amatanga yense ya Kenya Gose State Funeral korengana amon na Ida ase ensemo yende niganya ko bakakuburia abarayibe kama kya ODM banyara ko bagocha amona bayigo bakore ekikarobuna enjira emo yogokora lisosoberia nyako bari kwanekiwa ase ekyama ekyo kya ODM.
Today is a special day because today the 7th of January, marks what would have been Baba Raila Amolo Odinga's 81st birthday. On behalf of our family, I wish to share our most sincere and deep gratitude to everyone who in one way or another made it possible for us to give Baba a dignified exit. On behalf of our family, I wish to share our most sincere and deep gratitude to everyone who in one way or another made it possible for us to give Baba a dignified exit. On behalf of our family, I wish to thank the President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency William Samoei Ruto, and the entire government of Kenya that mobilized and deployed at the service of Baba and on his death. And that is the love for Orange Democratic Movement. I thank the party and all the staff who served Baba in different capacities for the dedication to him in life and in death. Baba ran ODM with dedication. He ran ODM with firm and fair hands. Raila ran ODM on principle of constant consultations and always referring to the people. It is my wish that we can preserve the party in his honor as a matter of service to our country. I want to end by appealing to those Baba left in the leadership of the party to reflect deeply and sincerely on his dreams for the party and for our country. Let us approach the problems of the party by always asking ourselves, what would Baba do under these circumstances? I guess your guess is as good as mine. I'm sure Baba would tell us, let us sit down and talk. And I'm sure that's my wish.
Wego ase ensemo yaye umuriki omonegwe kyama kya ODM nandu oromo senator we county ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna niganya ko baka kuria eira ni garage kunyara ko baka kora kiri aranyare kwene kibuna ekyama kya ODM ngigo kunyara ko bagi kugu ase amoko aina boigo ase ensemo yire niganya ko baka kwene kya nigo ali tayari uchikokora chinkwana na muntu ndebwensi oraga nibuna enjira emo yokobeka ekyamekyo amo.
Throughout this period, to have the strength to also consider what other things are happening in the country and in the party. I have listened to every word that you have said. And as I said at Mzee's burial, it will not be me to wreck Mzee's party. It will not be Sifuna. I made that promise to Mzee, and I want to repeat it here. The advice that you've given, Mama, I want to tell you, there is no one in ODM. It doesn't matter how many times, how badly you've insulted me. There is no one in ODM I will not sit down with. I want to give you that assurance. You have asked us to sit and talk. I am very prepared. It doesn't matter what has happened between us. As Mama has said, maybe I'm going to extend that olive branch because Mama now, wewe ndio huko, umetuambia. Water under the bridge. It doesn't matter what you have said to Sifuna or how badly you feel about me. I am prepared to sit down and iron out our issues. The only reason sometimes it spills out, Mom, because we are also human beings, you know. Sometimes mambo inachemkanga na Sasa ni mbaya saa ingine, lakini umetuguide vizuri. Mimi ninakumbuka Baba used to consult everyone. As you have said, I have told people stories. You would go to a village in Tana River. You find a kamzee there. Unaweza kumwangalia huyu mtu ni bure umdharau. Sasa ile unatoka, huyo mzee amepigia baba simu. Sema huyo kijana, ama ni mzuri, ama amenipeleka vibaya, ama amenipeleka vizuri. Unalanda hapa Nairobi, unaona baba anakupigia simu. Edwin, where are you? Kuja nyumbani. Umetoka Tana River, umefanyaje ule mzee? So that message that you have given us, always consulting, always being firm but fair, and always remembering the principles upon which this party was built. I think with that has always been our North Star. And if we follow that, I don't think...
Nabagokuru ase ensemo gose county area Griffy moiga ungabuno yuni gonyara kwa bagukwarganiwa abo asonyara kwa bagukurawa amono muwaziri Hassan John abogo umugavana bwe county area ya Mombasa amona barayibande abange banyako bagwikana ensemo iyo kinga kibanyako bakonyardiba ukwana ni kubanyako bakomotogiraira ase siasa yaye anyate ko bakakorana boigo kubika ebyama amo Wasati coalition abuna injira mojo kwenekia ngurigare ekerugo kyubura na bwo nkobe kare abarai amo asengenjo yo kugenderia ense ya Kenya abego ase ense moyende ni gobaro kana bakurutera Amang'Ana bali babwate iganga yo gwatana na ekama ekyo kya ODM.
Niliongea na baba mwisho. Mimi sijawahi kusema because it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter who spoke last. What matters is how you carry what Baba gave us over the period. Sivyo? What matters is the values that Baba inculcated in us as a people.
Baba alitufunza ya kwa kaeni na wenzenu muweke mikataba, code, azimio, NASA, yote tulifunzwa na baba.
Na katika pwani nzima yule ambaye aliambukizwa na ujasiri huo ni Hassan Ali Joho. Na tuuona ujasiri wake wakati Raila alikuwa anaenda kuapishwa na Hassan Joho akajitokeza na yeye pia vile vile akafika pale.
When Coast delivered more votes and more seats to Raila Amolo Odinga and ODM, hata Nyanza haikutufikia sisi. Kwa hivyo imefika wakati hivi sasa, Mheshimiwa Joho, you have invested a lot of your time, resources, and all you in ODM. But ikiwa chama cha ODM hakitapewa Ali Hassan Joho, sisi wa Coast, we have to champion another political pathway.
Kwa hivyo hakuna kutishana. Tutabarana hapo, waziri. Malizana hiyo, akishindikana tuchukue chama na sisi hatutafanya A na B, tutachukua hiyo original. Hatutakuwa kama ile ya Kalonzo ya nusu nusu, chungwa na nusu. Tutachukua hiyo original. Manake tuko na shares hata sisi kubwa kwa hiyo chama.
Heshimu viongozi wote. Heshimu Junet, wewe pia tutakuheshimu. Kama kuna kitu unataka itisha mikutano, si kwenda kwa mazishi na kuanza kuongea mambo ya ODM. Mambo ya ODM.
Nabego ensemo iria ekomochi eserikali mwasubuti kuria rero ningobanya ko bakwira ekambyabo county iria Nyandarua asibanyara ko bakuburia ekyumbe kyabo cyori amone chimbebe inyara ko bakigutenia etenda Kenya ko bagekwa ekambani teknolojia itari ya Kenya askiri banya ko bagoteba ekambani juni ko yanyara ko bakigutumika okora oboibi ase obochori gusobwa kichikura imensi ya Kenya. Korengana amona baraboni ko bakunya ko bakwerera ekyumbe kya IBC yo Kenya ko bagiye komenta ekambani eyo chingaki egento kirima mincha amoneri chiko.
Local partner wa East Mathematic tumegundua alikuwa ule mtu anaitwa sijui Abdullahi. That was just a front. One of those commissioners ndiye alikuwa local partner. Na ndio sababu imeongezewa muda.
Kwa njia ya kisiri, yule CEO wa IBC anaitwa Marjan amefanya extension ya contract ya Smartmatics ili the same company iliyoiba uchaguzi sasa, iliyo manipulate, itumike tena mwaka ujao. Sisi leo tunasema hatutakubali.
Sisi hatuna shida na jamii ya Wasomali. Mtu mmoja akiiba The community of Somali is innocent. You leaders from the Somali community, don't profile your community. Munaingiza community kwa shida ya mtu mmoja kwa nini?
We are working for the unity, real unity of Kenya. Sio hii ya kubabaisha hivi, kupigwa karata na kufanya hivi. And I'm quite sure the majority of Kenyan Somalis appreciate the good work that our brother Rigiji is doing.
Wanjumurire kubatikana amono roboti uru no nguchukunya kangunya butura Amang'Ana Amayia kuru asigita siniki kya Amazing Voice of Victory kuya mono asogwancha kubwatia na bwigo kurigeria emirubiri yeito gwikachinga ketiga munkuru yose seni gwa gwikachinga kitina bwengo kwaniria umwaka umuya bwebisio na bwigo amagenderero.
Metembe SDA Boarding Secondary School.